So it is post-finals. I've actually been finished finals for a week, but I've been busy with other stuff, so I haven't done the Q&A, and I got like 4 questions, so let's do those. So as for this question, I actually have quite a few favorite microorganisms, so let's go. Off, probably my favorite microorganism is the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. They're super interesting, and I just think they're really cute, and they have such cool survival adaptations. They can survive in really extreme conditions, and they're super neat. Another one I'm a big fan of is the rotifers with their little wheels that aren't actually wheels, but they're also super cool, and they also, I think, have pretty good survival cryptobiosis things. A lesser known microorganism that I'm a big fan of is the volvox. They're little colonial guys that I'm pretty sure they do photosynthesis. They're like chloroplasts and stuff, and they just live together and form a ball, which I think is really neat. Also, my favorite bacteria is Rhodosporidium rubrum, which I have made a longer video about, but they're a really cool type of bacteria. Also, not like more broad, like less specific, but I think bacteriophages are pretty cool. There's a ton of different types of bacteriophages, but they infect bacteria, and so they're harmless to humans. But I think they're pretty neat. They, honestly, in my opinion, look the coolest out of the viruses. They look like some alien bullshit, but I think they're pretty neat, and they're pretty cool and have a bunch of different types, different adaptations, and all that. Not a super big fan of the other viruses, mostly because they're annoying and hard to remember, and they cause a bunch of different diseases and stuff, and they're just not the vibe, but I am a fan of bacteriophages. There are a lot of other really cool microorganisms, but those are my kind of top ones. Those are the ones that I think are the most cool.